In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to write the equation of the line if we're given the x and the y intercepts. So this line touches the x-axis at 4. That means the x-intercept is 4. And it touches the y-axis at 3. So if we want to draw a visual representation of the graph, here is the x-intercept at 4. Keep in mind this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. And then at 3, it touches the y-axis. And so the graph looks something like that. My line is not perfectly straight, but you get the picture. Knowing the y-intercept and the x-intercept, how can we write the equation of the line? Well, first, let's convert it into ordered pairs. The y-intercept has an x value of 3, but a y value of, let me say that again. The y-intercept has an x value of 0, but a y value of 3. The x-intercept has an x value of 4, but a y value of 0. In other words, this becomes similar to a problem where we need to write a linear equation given 2 points. So the first point is 0, 3, that's the y-intercept, and the second point, 4, 0, that is the x-intercept. So what can we do here? Well, the first thing we should do is calculate the slope. You can do so using rise over run with the graph that we had, but since I deleted it, I'm going to use this formula. M is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's call this x1, therefore this will be y1, this will be x2, and the other one will be y2. If you switch x1, y1 with x2 and y2, you will still get the same answer. So y2 is 0, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, x1 is 0. So this is negative 3 over 4. So now that we know the slope, and we also know the y-intercept, the y-intercept, which is b, that is this value here. That's 3. We can now write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So using the formula, y is equal to mx plus b, it's going to be y is equal to negative 3 over 4 times x plus 3. So that's the answer in slope-intercept form. You can also convert it to other formats like standard form and point-slope form, but we're not going to focus on that in this video. Now, let's try another similar problem. Let's write the equation of a line where this line has an x-intercept of 5 and a y-intercept of negative 4. If you want to pause the video to work on it, feel free to do so. So let's convert it to ordered pairs. Let's start with the x-intercept. It has an x value of 5, a y value of 0. The y-intercept has an x value of 0, but a y value of negative 4. We're going to call this x1, y1, and this one's going to be x2, y2. So now that we have the 2 points, let's calculate the slope of the line that passes through those 2 points. So y2 is negative 4 minus y1, which is 0, divided by x2 minus x1, which is 5. So this is negative 4 over negative 5. The two negatives will cancel, so we get positive 4 over 5. That's the slope. Our b value, which is the y-intercept, our b value is simply negative 4. So with this information, we can now write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So let's start with the formula. Y is equal to mx plus b. M is 4 over 5. B is negative 4. So this is the final answer. So now you know how to write a linear equation in slope-intercept form if you're given the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Thanks for watching.